"Don't look," she said. "It's not hair on my head, but snakes ready to petrify. It's a terrible curse, and to make things worse, I can't turn it off, even if I try." The traveler protested. "I'm too invested. I've come too far to turn away. I'm here to be introduced to the great Medusa, and no witchcraft will block my way." "I have appreciation for your determination, but it's clear you just don't understand. My foyer is full of fellows and fools who are all stone now, down to a man. Well, I know to be wary of your statuary, but I come with a little surprise. When you appraise me, it will not faze me, for I am no man, and I have no eyes."